Hi, welcome to Cooper&Hunter. Today we're going to connect a smart port to our cassette, slim duct, and floor ceiling units. The smart port is our new Wi-Fi option, which allows the mini splits to be controlled with our Cooper&Hunter Remote app. To connect the smart port, you'll need the thermostat wire and the adapter that came with the unit. There are a few different ways to connect your smart port. Keep watching for explanations. If you're not going to use a thermostat with the smart port, all you need to do is connect the smart port directly onto the adapter. It is also worth noting that the connection point is usually red. If you want to mount the smart port to the wall, first attach the adapter to the unit, then connect your extension wire, and then from here to your smart port. If you want to use your smart port with the thermostat, first decide if you want your smart port hidden away or next to the wired thermostat. If you want it hidden away, first connect your adapter onto the board. Then connect your smart port onto the adapter to the thermostat extension and the extender to your wall thermostat. If you want your smart port near your wall thermostat, you would connect the extension wire to the adapter, the smart port to the extension wire, and your wall wire thermostat to your smart port. When connecting your smart port to a ceiling cassette, first you have to open the unit. Snake the thermostat wire through the cassette cover, making sure that the correct end runs into the unit. Once it's in, attach the adapter and connect it to the board. Tuck in your wires and close the unit. Then you can connect the smart port and tuck it into the ceiling grid or mount it to the wall. For the slim duct, we decided to connect our smart port next to the wired thermostat. Once you turn the unit off, you just need to disconnect the thermostat from the thermostat wire and reconnect with the smart port between the two pieces. For the universal floor ceiling unit, the most convenient option is to connect the smart port directly to the unit and leave it inside next to the board. Once your smart port is installed, it's time to download the C&H Remote app. Create a login and follow the prompts. To activate AP mode, you'll need to point the remote directly at the smart port, pressing the LED button 7 times until the light starts blinking. Once your device is connected, you can name it and control it with the app. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.